If Twitter isn't loading your tweets, it can be frustrating. Don't worry, you're not alone, and there are several quick fixes you can try. First, check your internet connection. Slow or unstable connections are the most common cause of tweets not loading. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if it helps. Next, clear your browser cache or app cache. On mobile, go to your app settings and clear cache. On desktop, clear browsing data for Twitter. This removes temporary files that can cause loading issues. Most people get this wrong. Simply refreshing the page isn't always enough. Sometimes, your cookies or corrupted cache prevent tweets from appearing. Clearing them usually fixes the problem. If the issue persists, check Twitter's server status. Outages are rare, but do happen. You can visit Twitter's status page or social media channels for updates. Also, try logging out and back in, or uninstalling and reinstalling the app. This refreshes your login tokens and often resolves persistent loading problems. In conclusion, fixing tweets not loading is usually simple. Check your connection, clear cache, and restart the app or browser. If the problem is widespread, it's likely on Twitter's end. Following these steps should get you back to scrolling in no time. Subscribe for more tech troubleshooting tips and guides to fix social media issues fast.